Workflowy just launched a new beta feature that has me excited. Let's take a look at the new Workflowy feature called paragraphs and headers. So the first thing that we want to do is load settings in Workflowy, whether it's the Workflowy beta app or the Workflowy website. And you want to scroll down a bit and look for experimental features here. And under that, make sure to toggle on Workflowy Labs. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find a few more lab settings. Look for paragraphs and headers and make sure you toggle that on. And look for /command and make sure you turn that on too. Alright, we can click out of the settings and you may have to restart the Workflowy app or reload the page you're on. Alright, so let's get started formatting our notes here. So the first thing we can do is highlight the text here, and there are new options in this toolbar, and the first one is H1, then H2, and paragraph. So we're going to start with H1, which stands for heading 1. And then for this second line here, let's go ahead and choose paragraph. If you notice, the bullet went gray, and then when I mouse away, it hides it. It's pretty nice. Alright, let's go ahead and highlight this line, choose H2. That will give a heading 2 formatting to that. Now, one of the nice things is since we turned on /commands, you can press / on your keyboard and then type in P for paragraph, and that will convert the entire bullet, and this allows you to format a bit quicker. Another way you can create a heading is to do that / command again. We'll type in H that shows heading 1 and heading 2. I can go ahead and type 2, so H2 for heading 2, press enter on my keyboard, and that will format it accordingly. And then we can go through and clean up some more of these paragraphs using that /command too, which is really nice. This makes scanning notes so much easier and goes a long way towards readability. I can't wait to see how I can reorganize parts of my Workflowy experience, and I can't wait to hear about yours in the comments. Be sure to check out my other videos on user experience design, productivity, Figma design, and so much more. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!